Arzu. I am studying in Standard 8. Today we are going to study about English grammar parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. We are going to study about these all parts of speech very deeply. Noun, a word which is used to name a person, place, animal or thing. Example words: Mumbai, gold, Ravi, elephant, animal. Example sentence: Mumbai is a huge city. Gold is an expensive metal. Ravi is my friend. An elephant is a huge animal. Pronoun, a word which is used in place of a noun. Example words: she, they, we, he. Example sentence: She ran to her mom. They won the match. We did not give up. He was awarded. Adverb, a word which add meaning of verb, adjective or another adverb is called adverb. This word usually end in ly. Example word: badly, silently, politely, quickly. Example sentence: The servant is treated badly. He opposed the team silently. He solved the sum quickly. She spoke to me politely. Verb, a word which is used to express an action or state of being. Example word: play, dance, sang. Is, am, are. Example sentence: Sachin played well. I love to dance. She sang beautifully. They are waiting. Adjective, a word which describes quality of noun or pronoun is called adjective. Example word: good, beautiful, mighty, kind. Example sentence: Priya is a good girl. She has a beautiful doll. The Ganga is a mighty river. He is a kind man. Preposition. It indicates the position of a noun, pronoun and shows the relation of one word with the other. Example word: with, among, under, near. Example sentence: I went out with my cousin. He slept under a tree. She came near me. Conjunction, a word that joins sentence, phrase, word or clause. Example words: and, but, or, because. Example sentence: I like cat and dogs. He worked hard but failed. Work hard or you may fail. She was sad because her friend was leaving the school. Interjection. It is a word which shows or expresses sudden feeling or emotion. Example words: hooray, alas, bravo, well done. Example sentence: Hooray, we won the match. Alas, he is no more. Well done, keep it up. Bravo, we did it. So this is the parts of speech we have learned in detail. Today we ended this session. Thank you.